Right, so what we wanted to do, we wanted to have this profile to DXF format and to make it vector graphics, we need this selig format .dat file, which looks like this. Save it somewhere in your computer, for example with .dat prefix. And second thing you will need is this FreeCAD 0.19 version, specifically this version, because currently this is the only one that works with this spring wing profile thing. You need this second latest thing here, FreeCAD over 200 megs. You don't need this libs thing. Just download this and unzip it with the 7-zip, and then you can go ahead and find where you unshipped it. Where I put mine, I have a folder called install where I put this kind of stuff here, and bin, and this is the folder where the FreeCAD is, so it's actually this one. If you start this, you should be able to get the FreeCAD up and running, and this is the tool we use to do the stuff. So here what would be a good idea to check in edit menu, in preferences you have the language setting. Make sure that it's English, otherwise everything regarding drawing things is too complicated. And next what we need this macros kind of thing in addition to this coordinates file. So we need to go a thing called add-on manager, which is in tools menu. So tools, add-on manager, and macros, and downloads the stuff for a while. And what I've been using here is airfoil import at scale. This one, not with and. So this one, was the one that I installed. You need to install that. It's pretty straightforward. After you have done that, you need to do you need to go to macros here, and here we have the one that we wanted. So we would like to select it. If this program allows at some point, we'll take a look if there is any processes that I could shut down in the meanwhile. Maybe these explorer things are causing some trouble. Okay, do I have any more of those? Maybe not. Here I have something. Right, so now I don't have, I supposedly don't have anything much open anymore. So this should respond sooner or later. Okay, now it seems to be I can select this airfoil import and scale macro thing here. Right. So now I got it selected. Then we are supposed to click the execute. Yeah. So then if I do execute here, it opens up a window where it will ask the dot file, and it's here. So open, and we need to decide some kind of length for this. So that could be kinda anything, but makes sense if there is some kind of sense in the number. So for example, we could put it 200 millimeters, and it's a D wire. So that's it. Then we click OK, and that's all to it. Now we have it here. So not very complicated after all. Then we do export, for example, in here, and select DXF here, and I have a memory stick here where I been storing my stuff. So I already kind of have it here. So if I save it here and open it in Corel, then it's kind of all done. That's all to it.